Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Calculus problems like this rational function integral look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by using simple algebraic manipulation to break down the fraction.
To integrate this fraction, rewrite the numerator to match the denominator. By splitting x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 2, we simplify the expression into two easier terms. Now integrate each term separately. The integral of 1 is x, and the integral of 2 over x plus 1 is 2 times the natural log of absolute x plus 1. Comparing our result to the given choices, we see that our expression matches option B perfectly. Always remember to include the constant of integration c to finish the problem correctly. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't drop the constant c and always remember to apply division and verify absolute values.